Today, I'm unboxing Klipsch The Fives speakers. Just look at this retro matte black finish. So sleek. I've been waiting to try these out for weeks. Let's open the box and see what's inside. Click the link in the description for the best price on Amazon. First impression, premium build, solid and substantial. The magnetic grills feel smooth and snap on easily. I love that you can remove them for a different look. All the cables and remote are neatly packed underneath. Setup looks simple, just plug and play. Let's get these connected to my TV via HDMI-ARC. I'm also connecting my phone using Bluetooth. Multiple connectivity options: HDMI, Bluetooth, RCA, USB. You can even hook up a subwoofer for extra bass. Turning them on, the LED indicators light up instantly. First test, streaming music from my playlist. Wow, the stereo separation is immediately noticeable. Vocals sound crisp, instruments have real depth. I'm hearing details I missed on my old soundbar. The bass is punchy, not muddy, even without a sub. Volume knob feels smooth and responsive. Switching to a movie scene, action sounds immersive. Dialogue is clear, effects are powerful. These speakers fill the room with rich, dynamic sound. Klipsch's DSP tuning really makes a difference. Dedicated left and right channels create true hi-fi audio. I'm loving the clarity at both low and high volumes. No distortion, even when cranked up. Let's try connecting my turntable for vinyl playback. Analog input works perfectly, warm, detailed sound. Switching sources is quick and intuitive. The remote control is handy and feels premium. Design-wise, these blend perfectly with any decor. The matte black finish is modern yet timeless. There are other finish options if you prefer lighter tones. I appreciate the compact size for bookshelf placement. They're easy to move and set up anywhere. Perfect for apartments, offices, or living rooms. Let's compare to my old soundbar quickly. Klipsch The Fives sound fuller, more natural. Soundbar feels flat in comparison, less immersive. Plug-and-play setup is just as easy as a soundbar, but you get real stereo separation here. Music lovers and movie fans will notice the upgrade. Bluetooth connection is stable, no dropouts. HDMI-ARC makes TV setup effortless. You can connect virtually anything: TV, phone, turntable. Subwoofer output lets you expand your system. I'm impressed by the versatility and sound quality. These speakers are truly high fidelity. They deliver entertainment and connectivity in one package. If you want easy setup and amazing sound, consider these. Great for gaming, movies, music, and more. Klipsch really nailed the design and performance. I'd recommend these to anyone upgrading their audio. Audiophiles will love the detail and stereo imaging. Casual listeners will appreciate the simplicity. No complicated setup, just plug in and enjoy. The Fives are a step up from basic soundbars. They look good and sound even better. Removable grills give you style options. Multiple finishes suit different tastes and spaces. Compact but powerful, don't underestimate their size. DSP and tuning ensure balanced, dynamic audio. Perfect for home entertainment setups. I'm genuinely impressed by the overall experience. No regrets switching from my old system. If you're searching for new speakers, check these out. Click the link in the description for the best price on Amazon. Klipsch The Fives, true entertainment, true hi-fi. Ready to upgrade your sound? Don't wait. Hit the link and grab yours today.